How to add people to a text message conversation on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Now in here, open up a text conversation. Now when you want to have other people joining your conversation, you go to the top here and tap on the more button, then tap on add people, and then from the contact list, select a contact and then tap on next. Now give your group a name. So here I say chat group, and then tap on done. And that's it. Now we start a new chat group, and then we can start a new text. And that's it. So here, so you created this group MS with incoming call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.